Welcome back friends to Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. And if you are new, thank you for stopping by. Today I have some of my pretty plants to show. So let's begin the video. That's my pretty wandering Jew. Now this is my string of pearls that is variegated, but it is in a pathetic state. I have to repot it very quickly. Now I'm showing you this wandering Jew again. That is because it is blooming. And this plant is very easy to propagate as well. See the string of pearls? It is in the original packet that I had bought. So actually the packet has become too small for it, so I have to repot it. Now this is my showstopper. Look at her, how pretty she looks. This was just a simple green sedum that my sis-in-law had given me, and now look at the color. It's looking fabulous. Look at it. And you know, the flower show I had come across a pretty sedum that was peachish in color, but the cost was too high for me to purchase that, so I had to leave her behind. Now there is my Mr. Oreo, all grumpy today. I don't know why. He's very grumpy. He doesn't want to show his face. This is also my small propagating, what should I say, cup or container. Now that's the Hawathia. In the back there is the sedum, and there is the, I think, Pakupaitam, all leaf grown. It is still growing. I'm not disturbing it. Come on, Oreo, look up. Now this plant has memories of its own. It had been bought by me during the lockdown period, and the vendor was moving around selling plants, so I had to buy this. It is a beautiful plant. I don't know the name, but I love the leaves. Look at that. It can be kept indoors as well, but I have not kept it indoors because my plant is still in the original packet that I had bought. Now that's my mint, ready to jump into my glass of lemonade or into the pot of biryani. See, that is also gone lush and green. That's my umbrella tree, which I have not shown you for a very long period. This plant has the glow of its own. Wherever you place it, it makes the place very happy. Look at it. Such a pretty plant. I love this plant. Very easy to grow, low maintenance, but still it gives out its glow. The yellow glow. That's my aglonema. That's the lipstick. It is not doing very well. It had rotted away. I had shown you earlier. This is also aglonema, the other variety, the common one. Yes, baby, I can see you. You are there, the little succulent. Now that's my kalankoi. Numerous babies arising out from the leaf that had fallen. Look at this Hawathia. It is growing wild, and the pot is getting smaller and smaller for it day by day, and I need to repot it somewhere. Actually, I had given some of the pups from here earlier too, but still it is full now. Look at it. Very easy to grow. Just keep it away from rain. Now this chap has lost its color again. It was orangish earlier and now it is green, but Anyway, it will get back its color. That's the grace of the succulents. The colors come on and off. It's wonderful to watch them. Now that's my ivy, and the best part is it is blooming. I'd never seen an ivy bloom in my life. Look at that. And the new leaves are sort of creamish in color. Looks wonderful. See, I've brought the flower this side so that you can see properly, and look at its bud. So friends, ending this short video showing you the flowers of my ivy, and as I always say, do not forget to share, subscribe and comment, to hit the like button if you have found the video interesting, and if you are new to our channel, to take a moment to subscribe. I'm sure you love our channel, and stay tuned for more of interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye from Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more.